Hi, I'm Lauren, and today we're going to show you how RoomOS, the powerful cloud-based operating system for Webex devices, makes hybrid work work. Let's go over to our team in Oslo for an overview of the latest features.
Work is what we do and not where we go. Teams are becoming increasingly more dispersed, with some slowly returning to the office and others working from home. If we go by the numbers, 98% of workers are frustrated with joining meetings at home on their laptop, as quality is subpar and sitting in front of a laptop for hours a day could lead to serious ergonomic issues. For distributed collaboration to work, workers need access to the right technology. It's essential that these technologies work seamlessly together, empowering workers to choose where they want to work from, whether it's from the corporate office, at home, or anywhere in between. Every company and end user have individual needs. There is no such thing as one size fits all. That's why we have a broad devices portfolio catering for every work style and workspace. Best of all, these technologies work seamlessly together, allowing you to move between the virtual and physical without any friction. Whether you want to meet, call, or brainstorm on an idea that can turn into the next big thing, our devices portfolio lets you do this all on one platform, securely managed and optimized in Control Hub. In this session, we'll be going through the new features for Webex devices and show you how we're improving the experience for workers everywhere. Before I can start demonstrating our amazing in-meeting experiences, we need to join a meeting. As usual, many of my colleagues are working from home. Let's join a meeting with them. I guess I'll use my trusted assistant to start the meeting. Okay, Webex. Join my meeting.
Nice to see you, Jens Petter. I can attend all my meetings from home with my Desk Pro. It gives me excellent video and audio quality. I can focus on Jens Petter, or I can choose to see the entire team in a 5x5 grid so that we can all feel together.
And as I'm speaking, you see me in the context of the bigger group, which is great as we join from our home offices as individuals.
Webex Assistant does more than just start meetings. With so many meetings and so many action points, I don't always trust myself to remember everything. That's where Webex Assistant for meetings comes in very handy. I can simply start closed captioning on my device, and text will appear as people speak.
And now, everyone can read what we're saying, and the notes are being stored together with the meeting. This sure makes it easier to stay organized.
Webex Assistant is great, but it doesn't help me call the attention of the presenter. I'm sure you've been in meetings where a lot of people are trying to call the attention of the presenter, and the presenter doesn't really know who it is. We've solved that problem. All you have to do is raise your hand.
Augustine, I see you have a question.
Yeah, could you talk a little bit more about our new in-meeting features?
That's a great idea. Why don't you bring up the presentation and we can go through it. So when I now start this annotation, we can go through what we've seen so far. So we started off with grid layout. We then went on to gestures, and further on to closed captioning, where we stored our notes together with a meeting. And then this next one, noise removal. Augustine, what is this about?
Oh, let me explain. It's actually a very cool feature. As we're all working from home, I really like to do some home maintenance. And that makes a lot of noise for everybody. So you probably don't like me very much. But if I turn on the noise reduction algorithm, you will notice a big difference. The noise removal algorithm in our devices filters all noises except the human voice. And that allows us to have better meeting and have better collaboration. There is another very cool feature we have. It's called Immersive Presenter Mode. Let me show you. That is where I make my presentation in my background. And that gives us a very collaborative meeting. It's very engaging. I can even move around.
That's really cool, Augustine. So this co-creation part we haven't really covered so far. Why don't you pull up a whiteboard and we can demonstrate?
Sure.
So let's start with Multiway whiteboarding. where everyone can participate. So I can start draw on my side, and everyone can build on each other's ideas. So we see here now Augustine is participating, Julia is here, and we can all follow what everyone is doing. And now we see we use stickies, and stickies are great for workshops and doing them when everyone is staying at home. Everyone can participate using their phone or their laptop, and in this way it's really easy to stay interactive, right? Another cool thing is if I want to do this for a long time, I can go into dark mode, which is easier on the eye. That's the beauty of our devices. They work seamlessly together. Do you like what you've seen so far? It has been great to demonstrate all of these features here to make your meetings more productive, inclusive, and also fun. Webex Rooms provides a best-in-class collaboration experience. RoomOS is delivering continuous innovation, and new features are released every month. The world of work is changing, and co-creation happens everywhere, in the office, at home, or anywhere in between. Cisco Webex provides you with a roadmap for the future of work. Again, thank you for watching, and I hope you picked up some tips and tricks on how to enhance your meeting experience. Or if the only thing you pick up from this is that you can do home renovation and being meetings at the same time using our noise reduction algorithm, that's at least something. Thank you.
Thank you, Jens Petter and the entire Webex Rooms team. To learn more about RoomOS and the devices that were featured, visit webex.com.